Hello YouTube, it's me JellyDuck100 and this is my tutorial in music. Today I'm gonna do a how do I make trip hop on BandLab. I thought this is best way to do music stuff on the BandLab, but not just a GarageBand app. And for those who don't know, I've made about 2 years ago for trip hop tutorial on GarageBand app. You gotta check it out. For this track, I feel like it is just a bit of inspiring like Portishead or Massive Attack. And the other one who invented the first trip hop, it was Susie and the Banshees, and there was a song called Tattoo. And by the way, this is just untitled project that I'm gonna make a trip hop style. I've made one of these instruments, especially I've added with the sample breaks and the dub FX synth. Yeah, I forgot about that. I set up for project key G sharp A flat major. First one instrument that I just use a honky tonk piano. I thought this is really good, but it's okay. I did it with the compose, and it sure sounds like this. And the second one is a clean guitar soft, and it sounds like this. Yeah, very catchy tune with the guitar. I love that. Third instrument, I use a clean fifth sine organ instrument, and it sounds like this. On the last one, I added with a dub bass. I made a bass line, a very catchy bass line, which is kind of like some type of a dub music, and it sounds like this. So yeah, I like the catchy bass line. So here it is, my final results. I hope you enjoy my track.